My name is Dr. Colby Peters, founder of Human Systems. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Human System Needs Wheel and how it works. The Human Systems Needs Wheel works similarly to the Emotion Wheel. In the center, there are two pairs of primary categories, safety and growth, and individuality and relationship. We are constantly trying to find a balance between these sets of needs. For example, after I have experienced a big growth opportunity, I will probably need to reestablish my sense of safety. After spending a lot of time in relationship with somebody else, I will likely have the urge to do something on my own to reestablish my individuality. I will show you how to use the needs wheel using an example that I'm sure most of us have experienced. I have found that the most effective use of the needs wheel is after I have identified my emotions related to an experience. Recently, I was triggered by something a close family member said. Primarily, I felt afraid, and specifically threatened, bewildered, and desperate. I also felt embarrassed at the intensity of my uncomfortable emotion, and specifically weak. Similar to the emotion wheel, I start with the center categories and work my way out. My needs are strongest in the safety category. Looking at the middle lighter section, I was definitely looking for trust and that I needed to feel like I was in a trustworthy situation. I can then look at the two more specific words associated with trust to see if they fit my need better, and I think security is the best fit. I also needed to establish boundaries, and looking at the two words associated with boundaries, space and privacy, space fit my need as well as boundaries. I also had needs in the relationship category. I was looking for validation as well as empowerment under empathy, understanding and compassion, honesty, and support under caring. In addition to the HS Needs Wheel 2, with 100 need words to choose from, I also created the HS Needs Wheel 1 for beginners with 36 need words. So that's a bit about the Human Systems Needs Wheel and how it works. You can use the link below to purchase the Needs Wheel. If you have any questions about the Needs Wheel or any other Human Systems tools, please use the link below to contact Human Systems. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.